Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make red enchiladas with ground beef. First, let's create that rich, flavorful red enchilada sauce. Begin by rehydrating about 6 to 8 dried New Mexico chilies in hot water until they're soft. Then, blend them with garlic, a quarter of an onion, and 2 cups of chicken broth. Simmer this mixture for about 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken beautifully. This foundational step is key to delicious enchiladas. Next, let's prepare the savory ground beef filling. Brown 1 pound of 80/20 ground beef in a large skillet over medium heat until it's fully cooked through. It's important to drain all the excess fat from the pan to prevent a greasy texture. Once drained, season the beef generously with about 2 tablespoons of chili powder, a teaspoon of cumin, and salt to taste. Stir well to ensure the spices are evenly distributed throughout the meat. Now it's time for the fun part, assembling your enchiladas. First, warm about 12 corn tortillas slightly to make them pliable and prevent tearing. Dip each tortilla completely into your warm red enchilada sauce, ensuring it's fully coated. Then, place a generous spoonful of the seasoned ground beef filling and about 1/4 cup of shredded cheese down the center of each tortilla. Roll them up tightly and arrange them seam side down in a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Finally, let's get these delicious enchiladas baked and ready to serve. Pour any remaining red enchilada sauce evenly over the rolled tortillas in the baking dish. Then, sprinkle about 1 cup of your favorite shredded cheese over the top. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and golden. For other great deals and to stay hydrated, check the description for a link to the O'Ala water bottle. Serve hot and enjoy your homemade red enchiladas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.